Now we start our chapter. We are not afraid to die. Page number 17. Yes, line is while I was thinking. I stand for the writer, father. While I was thinking, Sue moving painfully joined me. When I was thinking to save my family, meantime, uh, Sue just came up to me painfully. The left side of her head was now very swollen. The left side of her face got swollen because of injury, and her blackened eye narrowed to sills, and her eyes got narrower. आंखें उसकी सिकुड़ गई थी because of swelling. She gave me a card she had made. Now the girl prepared a card and she just handed that card to me. On the front, she had drawn caricatures. On the front side of the card, she had drawn some cartoons, some caricatures of Mary and me with the verse. My daughter had drawn some caricatures of me and my wife with the word, here are some funny people. These are very interesting people. Did they make you laugh? Daddy, are you laughing to see all this? I laughed a lot as well. Really, I started laughing. Inside was a message. A message was given inside the card. Oh, I love you both. So this card is to say thank you. Daddy, this card is prepared only to say thank you. Let's hope for the best. Okay, we hope for the best. Somehow we had to make it because we have to just cover this. We have to face this situation, which is very dangerous. I checked and checked my calculation. Now, father was doing his calculation after calculations because he was expecting to reach an island which was nearby. We had lost our main compass. Now, our main compass, like a needle, compass needle was not working. I was using a spare which had not been corrected for magnetic variation. This compass shows us the direction in the sea, but this compass was also not working. I made an allowance for this, even though I got some information from this needle and another estimate of the influence of westerly currents. And once again, I also calculated the currents of the water of that ocean, which flows through this part of Indian Ocean because we were just sailing in Indian Ocean. So I was calculating the waves of Indian Oceans. About 2 p.m., I went on deck. I came on ship and asked Larry to steer a course of 185 degrees. I advised Larry to just turn the ship at the angle of 185 degrees. मैंने उससे कहा कि शिप को 185 डिग्री के एंगल पर थोड़ा सा टर्न करना है. If we were lucky, if we were fortunate, I told him with a conviction, I told him with a great decision. I did not feel he could expect to see the island at about 5 p.m. If I am not wrong, we can reach an island at 5 p.m. He was calculating at 2 p.m. and he declared that at 5 p.m. they can reach an island. After 3 hours, we can reach an island. Then with a heavy heart, then with a very sad heart, I went below, I came down, climbed on my bunk and just climbed on my upper part of the ship. Okay, amazingly dozed off and surprisingly I got slept. I got slept soundly. When I woke, it was 6 p.m. When I got up, it was 6 p.m. Father was thinking that they would reach island at 5 p.m. but he got up at 6 p.m. It was 1 hour late. He was 1 hour late. Then, and growing dark, it was getting dark. I knew we must have missed the island. He was thinking that he lost the island with the sail we had left because the ship was on sailing. Okay, so he was thinking that he had missed the island. We could not hope to beat back into the westerly winds. It was not possible to take the ship back. शिप को बैक करने का कोई मतलब पॉसिबिलिटी ही नहीं थी. At that moment, a thousand had appeared by my bunk. All at once, a head was appeared by my bunk. जहाँ मैं खड़ा हूँ, जहाँ मैं बैठा हुआ था, वहाँ एक मुझे सिर दिखाई दिया. Can I have a hug? Daddy, can I hug you? Jonathan asked. Sue was right behind him. Sue was standing behind my son. Why am I getting a hug now? I asked. Why do you want to hug me? Because you are the best daddy. You are the wonderful father in the whole world, and the best captain. You are also a best captain. My son replied, not today, John, I am afraid. No, beta, I am not the best captain because I have missed the island. Why? You must be. No, Daddy, you are the wonderful captain, said who in a matter of fact voice. She was also feeling very happy. You found the island. You found the island. We got the island. What? I shouted. It is out there in front of us. There is a sea. Look in that direction. Look straight. We can see the island. They chorused, they sang all together as big as a battleship. This island was big like a battleship. जैसे battlefield होता है ऐसे ही जैसे battleship होता है ऐसे ही इतना बड़ा एक island वो दिखाई दिया. I rushed on deck. I went on deck and gazed with relief at the dark outline of Amsterdam and saw the dark line of that island. Now I felt relaxed. मुझे बड़ी शांति महसूस हुई. It was only a bleak piece of volcanic rock. It was made up of volcanic rock. Volcanic चट्टानों का बना हुआ था. It was completely bleak, completely dark, with little vegetation. There was very little vegetation. थोड़ी बहुत वहाँ पर हरियाली थी. The most beautiful island in the world. But this island appeared us the most wonderful island because we were waiting for that island for a longer time. इसमें बड़ी देर से इस island की प्रतीक्षा थी, इसका इंतजार था. We anchored offshore for the night. And the next morning, all 28 inhabitants of the island cheered as they helped us ashore. Now we stopped our wave walker offshore. Island was bahar, and the next morning, all 28 inhabitants on that island, 28 people lived there. And they welcomed us and they helped us also. उन्होंने हमारी help भी करी. With land under my feet again, and once again after a long time, we felt land under our feet. हमने पैरों के नीचे धरती को महसूस किया. My thoughts were full of Larry and Herbs. I was very grateful with these two people. I was very grateful for these two people, Larry and Herb. Cheerful and optimistic. These people were very cheerful and they were very optimistic. Optimistic means आशावादी होना. They hope for the best. under the direct stress, because these two people were very hopeful to reach that island in the adverse situation. इस दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण परिस्थिति में they were very hopeful, वे बड़े आशावादी लोग थे. And of Mary, who stayed at the wheel for all those crucial hours, and Mary was sitting with the help of the wheel all the time in the adverse condition. इस बुरी परिस्थिति में मैरी उस व्हील को पकड़े बैठी रही. Most of all, I thought of a 7-year-old girl, but I was thinking of my 7-year-old daughter, who did not want us to worry about a head injury. Actually, the girl got a head injury, but she did not tell any word to me. उसने मुझे कुछ नहीं कहा. Which who did not want us to worry about a head injury, because she did not want to trouble me for that injury. We subsequently took 6 minor operations. Now the girl had to pass under the 6 minor operation to remove a recurring blood clot between skin and the skull, because there was a clotting between skull and skin and skull. Okay, clotting. The clotting of the blood is very dangerous. Okay, but this girl was very brave. उसके blood की clotting बन गई थी. And of 6-year-old boy, and my son, who was 6 years old, who was not afraid to die, who said that we are not afraid to die if we all are together. अगर हम साथ साथ हैं तो हम मरने से नहीं डरते हैं. Getting or not? But the girl had to pass 6 minor operations because of clotting of blood between the skin and the skull. Okay, now beta, I take your poem which is coming in your this test, the laburnum top. Okay, yes, the laburnum top. Laburnum top is a tree. The laburnum top. It is a story about a tree, laburnum top. What happens is the laburnum top is completely silent. There is no noise, there is no movement in the tree. But by chance, a bird comes and sits on the branches and starts chirping. And when the bird sits on the branches of the trees, the whole tree starts, okay, with life. पूरा पेड़ जीवन से भर जाता है. In the same way, I give an example. If you are just at your home and someone comes to your home with a little boy or baby, okay, and you all get very happy to see that boy, and you start playing with that boy, and you feel life in yourself. No doubt you were feeling very dull when no one was there. Okay, when someone comes, you start feeling life. You start enjoyment with that boy, with that child. Okay, because you start playing with that boy or child. Getting or not? In the same way, this poem is described. Poet is said, use the laburnum top is silent. The laburnum tree is completely silent, quite still. It was quite still. There was no movement in the branches of the tree. Getting or not? The laburnum top is silent. The laburnum tree is completely silent. Okay, there is no momentum in the branches of the tree. Okay, in the afternoon, it's the time of afternoon. Yellow, sun, the sun was shining in the sky. The sun rays falling on the branches of the tree. The sun rays were falling on the branches of the tree. September. It was the month of September sunlight. Yes, you are getting or not? It was the month of September and the bright sunshine was shining in the sky and its yellow light was falling on the branches of the tree named laburnum top. A few leaves yellowing and all its seed fallen. There were few yellow leaves on the tree and all the seeds got fallen. कुछ पत्तियां पीली पड़ गई थी और सभी बीज नीचे गिर गए थे. All the seeds got fallen. Okay, now till the goldfinch comes and all of a sudden it is the laburnum tree and all at once a bird just come and sits on the branches of the tree and it starts chirping. Ching, 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 ching. Birds do like that. Bird sings like that. Okay. Till the goldfinch comes with a twisting chirrup. Meantime, the bird comes and sits on the branches of the trees and started singing, start chirping, चहचहाना शुरू कर देती है. Suddenness, a startlement at a branch, and when the bird comes and sits on the branches of the trees and starts jumping, all the branches of the tree comes or becomes alive. Okay, you can see the movement in the whole branches of the trees after coming the bird. Bird के आने के बाद as the bird starts singing, पूरा पेड़, the whole tree becomes alive. पूरा पेड़ जिंदा सजीव हो जाता है. Then sleek as a lizard. Now the bird just gets covered itself in the leaves of the trees. Okay, now the bird has been compared like a lizard. You know, lizard, typically, okay, it is quite smooth. Okay, it means the bird gets hidden itself in the branches of the trees. Bird खुद को branch में cover कर लेती है. And alert, but it is quite alert. It is quite careful and abrupt. And achanak, abrupt means suddenly. Achanak, she enters the thickness. She enters the thickness of the tree. She enters the thickness of the tree. She enters the thick leaves of the tree. The tree was very dense, was very thick, so the bird hides itself in the branches of the tree. And a machine starts up and all at once, once again, the whole tree gets alive. पूरा पूरा पेड़ सजीव हो जाता है. The whole tree gets alive. Starts up of chitterings because of the singing of the birds, because of chirping of the bird. The whole tree gets alive because of the twittering, because of the chirping, because of the singing of the bird. Getting or not? Okay then, and a tremor of wings. Now it flutters its wings. It flaps its wings अपने पंख फड़फड़ाती है and trillings and produce a sound. It repeats this again and again. The bird sings and flaps its wings again and again. And when it flaps its wings, the whole tree also get alive. You say there is a movement, there comes a movement in the branches of the tree. पक्षी के फड़फड़ाने से जो आवाज आती है तो पेड़ में एक नया जीवन प्रवेश हो जाता है. The tree feels a new life in itself. पेड़ अपने आप में एक नया जीवन महसूस करता है. The whole tree trembles. The whole tree starts moving, starts trembling and thrills. The whole tree gets thrilled, gets excited. पूरा का पूरा पेड़ thrilled होता है with the chirping, with the movement of the bird. The whole tree gets thrilled, gets excited with the activities of the bird. Getting or not? Okay then. It is the engine of our family. Now the tree becomes the engine. The tree becomes the engine of the bird's family. Okay, because the tree starts also moving. Moving means it is walking. Okay, just a motion in the tree, just a movement in the tree because of the bird. It gives the life. It gives the life to the family of birds. बर्ड्स की फैमिली को एक जीवन देता है. She strokes it full. Now she strokes the branches of the tree. She just pets, सहलाती है. Just pets the branches of the tree. And then flirts out to a branch and then the bird starts flying. And the bird starts flying or bird starts jumping from branches to branches. Okay, the bird जो होती है एक ब्रांच से दूसरी ब्रांच पर जंप करती है, जाती है. Okay, then it flies out to branch and showing her bared face identity mask. But show her bared face, but she does not show herself because there are many great people who do the work of charity, but never come in limelight. In the same way, the bird comes and provides the life to laburnum top, which was silent in the month of September in bright sunshine in the afternoon. Okay, but the bird provides life to the tree, but the bird does not show her face. Its identity remains hidden. Its identity remains hidden. उसकी पहचान छुपी रहती है. Then with ire, delicate whistle stirs up whispering say. Then she gives different type of music. She chirps happily. She just whistles. It means the birds was producing different sounds on the branches of the tree. Chirp, whispering, she launches away after giving the life. After giving the life to the tree, the birds flies away. She उड़ जाता है towards the infinite, towards the sky. After giving life to the laburnum top, which was silent in the noon of the September, the bird flies away. बर्ड पेड़ को जीवन देने के बाद जैसे आती है वैसे ही चली जाती है. and the laburnum subsides to empty, and once again, the laburnum top remains silent, gets silent. What did you notice? The bird comes on the branches of the trees. Okay, it provides life to the silent tree as there was no movement on the branches of the tree. Getting or not, the bird comes, sits on the branches of the tree and starts chirping and starts jumping from branch to branch. It gives life to the tree, and all of a sudden the tree also feels life in itself. It becomes like an engine for the family of the birds. Because when the tree feels life, tree just starts moving, you can feel the movement of the movement in the all branches of the tree. आप ट्री की हर ब्रांचेस में मूवमेंट फील कर सकते हैं. Okay, now after giving the life to the tree, okay, actually the poet says that the birds remained hidden. It does not show her face, that who has given life to that silent tree. Okay, the bird remains hidden in the branches of the tree. It does not show out its face. And after giving life, the bird flies away to the blue unknown. पेड़ को जीवन देने के बाद पक्षी वो बर्ड्स बाद में उड़ जाती है. And laburnum tops remain silent once again in the month of September, in the bright sunshine in the afternoon. In the same way, as you see, when I give you example of a child who comes to your home, okay, and when until he or that child stays at your home, you remain busy with that child. Okay, you play with that child, you make merrymakings with that child. Okay, and when that child goes away with their parents, you once again remain silent in your house. In the same way, the laburnum top gets life after coming the birds on its branches. And it gets silent once again when the bird flies away to blue unknown. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Poem is clear to all of you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Should I revise it again?
Sir, sixth line से repeat करेंगे. The sleek as a lizard वाला.
Okay. Then the sleek as lizard and alert. Now the bird has been compared like a lizard. As a lizard is very active. When you touch it, it gets hidden behind behind anything. In the same way, the birds get hidden in the thick branches of the tree. But it is quite alert. It is quite careful. It is quite alert, quite careful and abrupt. It is very active also. And she enters the thickness of the tree. She hides herself in the leaves of the tree.
Sir.
And a machine starts up, and when the bird starts singing, starts chirping on the branch of the tree, the whole tree gets alive. The whole tree gets alive. पूरा पेड़ सजीव हो जाता है only with the arrival of that bird.
Sir.
Yes, बेटा.
सर प्लीज एक बार मेरी मार्क कर दीजिए. मेरी ये ज्वाइन नहीं हो रही थी, बार बार निकल रही थी, लेफ्ट हो रही थी बार बार.
तो सर आप एक बार अटेंडेंस